Hey guys, it's Kiana here. So today we're gonna do a makeup challenge and I am gonna let my new fiance go ahead and do my makeup for this. So I'm actually very curious to see how he does because he sees me do my makeup all the time. So let's see what he can do. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and let him do this makeup, and like I said, I'm not giving him a lot of hints. You know, this is minimal tips. He gonna have to play in my makeup kit and see what he can come up with. So I hope we do good.
Yeah, wish me luck.
You gonna get my eyebrows on fleek, babe?
Trying to. How do you erase?
Your finger. And then you can always clean up with your concealer.
I don't feel like I could do this. I feel like I need to practice run first.
No practices. You just fill it in?
Wow.
Am I looking good?
Nah, not yet. I'm looking rough right now.
I got my own MUA.
I'll send you an invoice after this.
How much am I getting billed for my services or for your services?
Quite a bit.
Taxation, huh?
Gratuity included. I just rub it all out.
All of it?
The whole bottom part. I want to start that one.
Oh yeah, that one's not bad. Looks like you might know what you're doing a little, huh?
They don't really have much shape to them. It's just. How do I blend it in?
Blend what?
The contour or whatever this is.
The eyebrows?
Yeah.
With that other brush? Blend down. Yeah, like that. Like pat at it. Like pat.
I just like the sound.
You feel like Picasso?
Trying to create something, yeah.
A masterpiece?
Not Picasso. I'm a graffiti artist at this point.
Show the people your skills.
Don't judge me, people, off this one. I wouldn't want to put my name behind something like this yet.
You probably need to go over this side with the big one. No, the big brush. That one's not gonna cover.
I'm the artist. We'll come back to that.
So you're gonna do the eyes?
Yeah, we're gonna move to the eyes.
Don't go too much first, because that color is pigmented. You can always go light to dark, but you can't go dark to light. Of course he picks blue.
Blue fire. How far out should I go?
This is your creation. I'm not giving you too many hints now. You have to use your creative juices. You've seen this a million times.
We don't be happy when y'all doing makeup. We be waiting on y'all.
Beauty is pain and patience. Are you liking your creation?
No comment.
You're supposed to be having me on fleek. You can't be sending me out looking crazy.
No promises right now.
And yet you want it to be paid.
Get paid regardless. It's like work, like a regular job. No matter if you're doing a good job, bad job, you clocking in hours.
We're blue.
Yeah. It's her idea, y'all. No matter what she say, remember it was her idea.
You love doing my makeup.
Nah.
I wanted to see your skills, babe.
This girl talking about makeup skills.
Hey, we are no one-trick pony over here. makeup, hair, lashes, all of it. You gotta be able to do it all. You gotta be able to do it all, babe.
I feel like I got the technique down, but the application is off.
I'm gonna put you in Ink Master so you can learn.
I don't want to tattoo nobody.
Learn your colors.
You can't wash off no tattoo. Do you do under the eyes?
You wanna do under that?
No, probably not.
I'm about to look good for my man.
You might look better before this.
That means you're not doing a good job.
I never promised.
No promises were made?
Never promised what I was going to do.
I was going on a blind mission, huh?
A straight send-off mission that you sent yourself on. You were set up for failure from the start. So anything that turns out positive.
Know, I have faith in you. Yeah, make sure you get my mustache. Dab on them. Dab on them.
Smell like you know it's good. False hopes, right?
Ah, you said I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming of being Beyonce right now.
Got that Donald Trump complexion going on.
Might get some contour.
I don't even know where that's at.
That one.
Just blotting on makeup. Hell I'm doing. It's probably what half y'all be out here doing.
Y'all, he getting the neck. He know I like the neck. I always say in my videos, make sure you get that neck, cause some people's necks, you know, you gotta make sure you just get them, make them look skinny. I need some highlighter.
Highlighter.
Am I getting highlighter? Do I get to glow?
Should I change brush?
You see it now?
I see some sparkles, but I can't really see it, like to see it. You see it?
You gonna get my little bird lips? Are you drawing me a wing?
Is it just a straight line?
It's like a wing that goes out and up.
Like I did that one thick, but it looks good.
You gotta bring it on the eye.
You know what I mean? How thick is it supposed to be? I need a
You
picture.
just connect it to an eye. Let me pull up something. Oh.
How do I erase the wing? It still looks green.
You don't want to be beautified, babe?
Nope.
Why not?
I feel like I'm already alright.
I'm gonna be glowing.
Am I done?
Are you done? Is this my final look?
I think so.
I think he's. Oh wait, what about my lashes? I get a little mascara.
Photoshop some of these shots just to make it glammed up.
He said he gonna do what all y'all females out there do. Photoshop.
It's cheating. All right, y'all. I think I'm done from what I could do.
Okay, so it looks like this is the final look. How you guys think he did? I'm blue. Feeling blue.
I think I did pretty good for my first time. I say so myself.
You know, it wasn't too bad.
Let me see in the.
He has some perfections.
I kind of smeared that.
To make.
God damn
You
it.
see what happens when he messes with his artwork?
God damn it.
Now he had to go back in and touch the stuff because he done messed around and put some blue under mine.
Just gonna edit this part out.
Well, looks like this is it. So, like I said, let me know what y'all think. Y'all think he did good with my makeup? Did he beat me? Physically, literally beat me?
It looked like it. You got a couple black eyes, a couple shiners on there.
Oh, it's okay though, babe. You did good.
We'll get better. All right, YouTube, I'm signing out.
Bye.
Peace.